Supercharge your marketing and communication by connecting the power of Twilio to HighLevel, unlocking a whole new level of automation. Alright, let's dive right in first. Log into your HighLevel account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. This is usually found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Inside Settings, look for Phone Numbers. Click on it. This is where we'll configure Twilio as our SMS and calling provider. You'll see an option to add Twilio account. Click on that button. It will prompt you for your Twilio account, SIT, and Auth token. To find these, log into your Twilio account. On your Twilio dashboard, you'll find your account SIT and Auth token prominently displayed. Copy and paste these credentials into the corresponding fields in HighLevel. Now, back in HighLevel, paste the account SIT and Auth token into the designated fields and click Save. HighLevel is now connected to your Twilio account. Great! The next step is to map your phone numbers. We'll want to make sure you've purchased Twilio numbers, and then these numbers should appear in HighLevel and you can now assign them to specific locations within HighLevel. Finally, it's time to put your integration to work. Go to your Workflows section. You can now use Twilio within your automated workflows to send SMS messages, make calls, and much more, all powered by Twilio's robust infrastructure. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Twilio with HighLevel. You are now set to improve marketing and communication automation.